Namaskar children, this is Dishaman and we are going to learn English. Yesterday what we did, रोज का सेशन यही और ऐसे ही शुरू करते हैं. Today I am sitting in front of you to ask or to start this session with a new spice. Today what we will be doing is we will be discussing till date PA2 में हमने क्या क्या चीज़ें complete करनी, like the work which we have done till date, right? So let us begin today's session. PA2 started with chapter number 6 of grammar, of literature, and we have completed chapter number 6 and chapter number 7 along with the poems of both, and question answers भी आप सबने लिख लिए हैं, right? I have sent the PDF of question answers of chapter number 6 along with the poem number 6 and chapter number 7 along with the poem number 7. So as and when the work is being given, I would request all of you to complete the work on a regular basis. Clear? Now when we sit and we start recalling what we have done, हमने जो किया उसको याद करते हैं. So chapter number 6 was a chapter about a great you can say intelligent person named Tenali Raman. In this chapter what did we learn? We learned that there was an incident where Tenali Raman was outwitted, or you can say has proved himself, where Tenali Raman proves himself smart with his wittiness and the sharpness that he does. Chapter number 7, which is an informative chapter, it is about मंगलयान, a topic जो हमने लास्ट ईयर बहुत बार बातें की हुई है मंगलयान के ऊपर. भारत का, इंडिया का जो स्पेस सेंटर है, दैट इज ISRO, दैट इसरो स्पेस सेंटर में जो मंगलयान जो स्पेस क्राफ्ट बनाया था, एंड इट वेंट टू द मार्स एंड इट कलेक्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द मार्स एज अ प्लैनेट, थिंग्स कि वहाँ पे अगर इन फ्यूचर कुछ हो सकता है, हवा पानी मिलता है तो इफ वी कैन शिफ्ट ओवर देयर एंड ऑल दैट. So Mangalyaan was the chapter's name. Space was the chapter's name, and Mangalyaan was the topic which was being covered in chapter number 7. Here at this point, I would like to pat a back. आपके सबका ऐसा pat back समझ आता है? कंधा ऐसे, शोल्डर ऐसे, पीठ तपतपाना. Why? There was a video of yesterday or day before yesterday, I guess Friday को, जहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बुक वर्कशीट में I have been writing a passage. उसमें there was a question कि which statue is there in Gujarat, and I have got so many good replies, good answers. So happy that you guys are learning. You have not stopped learning, right? Today, अब ये हो गई कल तक की बात. हमने वर्कशीट कर दी है, हमने रिविजन कर दिया, अनसीन पैसेजेस हो गए. Today, what we are going to do is, I will be doing unseen passages of chapter number 7, that is in worksheet. वर्कशीट मेरे हाथ में है, and with this worksheet, there is chapter number 7 के messages है, which is passage 1 and 2 that I'll be doing, and today's homework would be unseen passage 3 of chapter number 7 in worksheet, right? So what is today's CW? Today we will be doing unseen passage 1 and 2 of chapter number 7 in worksheet. And in homework, today's homework would be unseen passage number 3 of chapter number 7. That is to be done. Right? Chalo, without wasting time, let us have a look in the worksheet. Now, today what I am going to do is I am not going to show you this textbook. You have to, sorry, this worksheet. You have to be ready with your worksheet. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing the answers. Don't worry. मुझे पता है आपकी spelling errors, so don't worry about that. But I want this session to be converted into a live session. अगर मैं अब हम लोग अगर वीडियो सेशंस करते होते हैं, ऑनलाइन सेशंस, तो आप जवाब कैसे देते हैं, राइट? सो बी रेडी विद योर पेंसिल एंड विद द वर्कशीट बिसाइड्स यू. Right, I'm giving you some time to get your worksheet and your pencil erasers with you. ये मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ? बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा वीडियो लेसन्स बहुत दिनों से मैंने आप सबको देखा नहीं था. सो दिस मेक्स मी फील हैप्पी इफ यू गाइज आर लुकिंग एट मी एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट यू. सो it gives a good effect, Ready with the pencil and this worksheet? चलिए. This page number 3, chapter number 7, space in the worksheet. Worksheet में है, right? Okay. I'm reading the passage. You have to put your finger on what I'm reading. Clear? Ready? Okay. The old man talked about how much he loved his brother and how sad he was to hear about his death. He gave Aladdin some new clothes, and soon Aladdin's mother began to believe that this man was actually Aladdin's uncle. One day, the old man invited Aladdin to go with him to a far-off place outside the city. That is the chapter. This paragraph is extracted from last year's book, I guess, chapter number 3, 6 था, I don't know. So it was Aladdin wala chapter. We have learned it last year, right? This is from that chapter. Let us look towards the question answers now. Are you all with me? Okay. What did the old man give to Aladdin? Aladdin को क्या दिया? What did the old man give? Yes, the answer is there in the paragraph. Second line, the old man gave some new clothes to Aladdin. Write your answer. I am dictating. मैं बोल रही हूँ और आप लिखेंगे. The old man. Listen to the answer first. The old man gave some new clothes to Aladdin. चलिए. I am speaking the spelling wise. THE. The. OLD. Old. MAN. Man. GAVE. Gave. Some. 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 New clothes to Aladdin. New. NEW. New clothes. CLOTHES. Clothes to Aladdin. Aladdin का A would be capital. ALADDIN. Aladdin. Right? चले. I repeat the answer. The old man gave some new clothes to Aladdin. Full stop. Done? Chale, move to the second question. Where did he invite Aladdin to go? Where did he invite Aladdin to go? Chale, find out the answer. It's there in the last line of the passage. He invited Aladdin to go with him to a far-off place outside the city. I'm not going to dictate it. Underline the last line of the paragraph. पूरा आंसर आपको लिखना है. आगे खाली ही लगा देना है. So HE ही. उसके बाद लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. इनवाइटेड लिखते जाइए साथ साथ में. INVITED. invited Aladdin to go with him to a far-off place outside the city. He invited Aladdin to go with him to a far-off place outside the city. Right? Chalo. Written the answer. the last line of the paragraph. पूरा answer. He invited Aladdin to go with him to a far off place outside the city. Done? चलिए. Next, third question. Find antonyms of. Inside, very easy. Inside opposite, outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. I think ये spelling सबको आते हैं, right? So no need to worry. फिर भी I'll be at the end of this video, I'll be giving this photocopy of this, so don't worry. Check your answers, check your spellings. Inside opposite, outside. Near opposite, far. Yes. Hate opposite, love. L-O-V-E. Done? Chaliye. Move to the next one. Count number of times name Aladdin is used in the passage. Passage में कितनी बार we have used Aladdin. चलिए, let us count Aladdin. For that we need to read the paragraph again. और जहाँ जहाँ Aladdin आता है, I'll count, right? The old man talked about how much he loved his brother and how sad he was to hear about his death. He gave Aladdin some new clothes, and soon Aladdin's mother began to believe that this man was actually Aladdin's uncle. One day, the old man invited Aladdin to go with him to a far-off place outside the city. How many times have we used Aladdin? 4 times. So here you will write 4 times. Therefore, you are 4 times times 4 times. Only that 4 times. Done? 4 times. Okay. Next, write all the words beginning with B. B वहाँ पे light है. Make a B for ball. Write all the words beginning with B in the passage. Passage में से the words which are starting with the letter B. So first line, if I see, can you name the word which begins with B? Yes, it is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. So please write it. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Written. Chale, come to the second line. Can you see any word which is starting with B? No, second line में नहीं है. Come to the third line. Yes, the first word in the third line is began. So we will write B-E-G-A-N, began. Right? Same line, there is again a word B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. So began, brother and believe. Now third line में और कोई है B से word? No. Come to the fourth line. No. So there are 3 words which are starting with letter B. One is brother, then second one began, and third one believe. Brother का spelling I guess सबको आता है. Began is in the third line and believe is also in the third line. Starting में ही है. B-E-G-A-N, began. B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Done? चलिए, next one. Change the gender. So let us change the gender. First one is aunt. Aunt is a feminine gender, so we will change it into masculine gender. So it would be uncle. Yes, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Done? Second one, sister. Sister. Change the gender. Brother. Yes, sister's masculine gender is brother. So B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Next, father. Gender is masculine, so we change it into feminine gender. It is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Right? Chaliye. So aunt, uncle, sister, brother, father, mother. Done? चलिए, last question of this paragraph. Give past tense of. Very easy. हमको past tense अभी तो आ ही गए हैं. Begin. Past tense began. B-E-G-A-N, began. Talk, talked. T-A-L-K-E-D. क्या लगा देंगे? E-D. Last one, give. Past tense gave. G-A-V-E, gave. Right? I repeat the answers. Begin, began. B-E-G-A-N. Right? Talk, talked. T-A-L-K-E-D. Talked. Give. G-A-V-E, gave. Done? Okay. Shall I repeat the answers? No, I'll be sending the photocopy, so check it. This I've done very slowly, so I guess आप cope up कर पाएंगे. चलिए, now come to the unseen passage 2. Now उस unseen passage में there are some words missing in the front of the page. So as and when I'll be reading, मैं आपको लिखवाती जाऊंगी कि आपको क्या लिखना है, right? चलिए, one day Anne and Frank went to the lake with Rover. Rover can swim well, so S is missing, तो आप वहाँ पे S लिख दीजिए. So Frank made him go into the water after a stick. So Rover is a dog, right? Jump Rover, jump in and get the stick. And का A is missing, so आप A लिखेंगे वहाँ पे. And get the stick, said Frank. And into the water Rover went with a big splash. S is missing over there. Splash, right? So Rover and Frank are playing, and Rover को वो fetch करने को भेजता है stick, right? Pretty soon he came out with the stick in his mouth. Rover did not like the game as much as Frank because, so like में li आपको लिखना है, because the water was a little cold. They had they had a fine time for a while with Rover and then set out for home because it was late. WAS was late in the day and they could not stay long. On the way home, Rover saw a rabbit and away he went after it as fast as he could go. And Frank ran too. ran too, but could not keep up with Rover and the rabbit. Obviously Rover is a dog and rabbit is a rabbit, so like उनके जितना fast Anne और Frank नहीं दौड़ सके. When they got home, home, Rover was there and Frank said, "Where is the rabbit, Rover?" Rover gave Frank a funny look and went away. "Oh, I know," said Frank. "The rabbit ran so fast that you could not catch it." Right? Frank समझ गया कि rabbit ने इतना तेज दौड़ा that Rover was not able to catch it. Clear? Understood the paragraph? It is about two kids, namely Anne and Frank. They had a pet called Rover. Now, one fine evening at the lakeside, they are enjoying with this animal dog. What Frank is doing, he's throwing the stick into the river, and Rover, his pet dog, goes there and pick it up. Right? Then, while returning home, Rover saw a small rabbit and he ran after it. And Frank also ran after Rover but could not make the pace with them. When they were home, Rover was already at home. So he asked Rover that where is the rabbit, and Rover gave a funny look. उससे उसके मास्टर को पता चल गया कि he was not able to catch the rabbit. Right? चलिए, now let us see the question answers. What did Rover chase in the water? क्या chase कर रहा था? What was he chasing? What was he chasing? Yes, Rover chased a stick which was thrown by Frank. किसने throw किया था? Frank ने. So write the answer. R-O-V-E-R. Rover chased. C-H-A-S-E-D. Chased. Rover chased a stick which was thrown. T-H-R-O-W-N. Thrown by Frank. Rover chased a stick which was thrown by Frank. Right? Chaliye. Next. Why couldn't Rover catch the rabbit? Why was Rover not able to catch the rabbit? Yes, because rabbit ran very fast. So write the answer. As the rabbit ran very fast. As the rabbit ran very fast, comma, Rover could not catch it. Why was he not able to catch it? Because he ran very fast. So the answer is as the rabbit ran very fast, comma, Rover could not catch it. Done. Third one. What might have happened if Anne and Frank stayed later? अगर वहाँ रुक जाते तो क्या हो जाता? So write the answer. अगर वो रुक जाते तो रात हो जाती. Late night is not good for kids, right? So write the answer. If they would have stayed, if they, T-H-E-Y, they would, W-O-U-L-D, would have, H-A-V-E, have stayed, S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed, comma, then it would be late night, T-H-E-N, then it would be late night. That if they would have stayed, comma, then it would be late night. Clear? Chaliye, now move to the fourth one. How do you think Rover felt about not catching the rabbit? Rabbit हाथ में नहीं आया तो कैसा लगा? लिखिए आंसर. Rover did not feel amused. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा. Obviously, अगर see if I'm trying to get first rank and if I get second, तो भी मुझे खराब लग जाता है, right? So Rover also didn't feel good. So write the answer. Rover, R-O-V-E-R, Rover did not felt amused, A-M-U-S-E-D, amused. I repeat, A-M-U-S-E-D, amused. Rover did not felt amused, comma, as he could not catch rabbit, as he could not catch rabbit. He was not able to catch the rabbit, as he could not catch rabbit. Shall I repeat the answer once? Rover did not felt amused, comma, as he could not catch rabbit. Done? Chalo, move to the next one. Find synonyms of quick. What is the synonym of quick? Quick. Synonym is fast. F-A-S-T, fast. A synonym of quick is fast. A bit, a little. Sixth one. Rover did not like the game dash Frank. Look into the paragraph. Rover did not like the game as much as. What is the answer? As much as. Right? So you will write as much as. Next, make sentences of your own. Very good exercise. Make sentences of your own after. Let's see. Sunday comes after Saturday. Write the answer. Sunday comes after Saturday. Children, this is my answer. अगर आपको after से कोई और sentences आते हैं, you can write, no issues. Sunday comes after Saturday. Next, funny. Kapil Sharma show is very funny. Kapil Sharma show is very funny. Kapil Sharma, K-A-P-I-L, Sharma, S-H-A-R-M-A. R-M-A, yes, S-H-A-R-M-A, Sharma, Kapil Sharma. Show, S-H-O-W, show is very funny. I am repeating, these are my sentences. If you want, you can change the sentences. आपके हिसाब से आप sentences change कर सकते हैं. Right? चलिए, last exercise. Make new words by adding suffixes. We have already learned what is suffix and prefix. Suffix जो word के पीछे कुछ लगाते हो, prefix जो word के आगे कुछ लगाते हो, right? So this is suffix. The first one is well. Wellness. W-E-L-L-N-E-S-S. Wellness. The cause. Children, mark the changes that is there in question number 8. Question number 8 का first one well का wellness is okay. Second one cause नहीं, वहाँ पे आएगा fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Change the question please. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And third one is not way, it is dry, D-R-Y, dry. Done? Chaliye, so write the answer fruit. Write the answer fruitful. F-R-U-I-T, fruit, F-U-L, full, fruitful. Dry, dryness. D-R-Y-N-E-S-S, dryness. Done? Chaliye. So this is the end of CW. What we did today, we did two passages of chapter number 7, that is 1 and 2. In homework, today's homework would be unseen passage 3 of chapter number 7. Right? I'll be sending, along with this video, I'll be sending the image of CW and HW. Please check your answers, and if any queries, don't hesitate to call me up. Right? Chaliye. It was very nice having a session. I'm waiting for the live online classes. That will be coming on this Thursday. Right? Chaliye, till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha Ma'am signing off. Bye bye.